on a melon playground movie. Trying to eat my ramen and soap. I'm a vacuum cleaner that's collecting dust. Nobody has used me since 2018. And now I'm about to turn myself on. Does it feel great? What is that sound? Beep, 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 beep. There's an error. Wind blast storm is gonna start in 5 hours. We gotta hurry up. Like weep, 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 weep. There's firework cakes happening. And it's actually doing fireworks that can set off. And it has been very bad. So bad that lightning has struck everything. Weep, 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 weep. I don't know if you are. The vacuum is stuck in it. It's blowing up everywhere. Look at that. Still fine. I'm better than pause animation. I don't know too long. Almost important. Stop moving. No, stop pulling this on. right, yeah. I lost my arm. I lost my arm. Get out of here, arm. I don't need an arm. I don't need an arm. I don't need a fucking arm. I don't need a stupid arm. I can just walk with one arm. I'm getting out of here. I'm actually getting out of here. I'm getting out of here. I'm getting out of here. Because what is happening right now? It doesn't. Shut up. It's blowing stuff up. It is blowing stuff up. That's crazy! Look at all this obliteration! Oh god, I can't look the melon. I don't know. I don't know. No, I don't want to delete this. Stop it with the lagging. Blowing stuff up. Look at that. Whatever, done. Oh my god! I don't even know what's happening. Like, this is what and that's the end of part 1.